First things first, if you have the check engine lights on your Touareg, first thing you need to do is buy a fuel treatment therapy. In this case, it's a treatment. It's a diesel. In my car, it's diesel, but it could be also gasoline. The injector cleaner. So if it happens to check engine lights, this is the first thing you use. This is where the filter goes, the fuel filter. Now, this is what it looks like. There's the filter. As you can see, it's right there, the same. And I'll tell the part number that it is, so you know which one to buy. They cost from $13 to $50 OEM. They're all the same. Just buy a good brand. It's all there. That's why the check engine lights was on. Okay, now get the new one. Oh, see, it's full of filter. It's inside. It's a $400 job. That's funny. I spent $15 and it's done.